Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you two types of tools that I use a lot. The planner. This tool allows you to go ahead and level out wood when it's uneven and they're attached together, and I'll show you an example of that. And this is the hand belt sander, which I use in combination with the planner. They're great tools to use if you want to go ahead and do a tabletop when you're connecting joints of wood together. An example of that would be something like this, which is a 2x4 with a 1x1 and a 2x4 and a 1x1. And basically these are glued together. And what happens is that you want to maybe go ahead and make sure that this is nice and flush and even if you're going to go ahead and maybe make a stool or maybe a tabletop or whatnot. But this is a small example for me to go ahead and really show you how to use these tools correctly. Now this tool here, I'm going to show you, this tool here has a lever on the front that allows you to go ahead and shift the vacuum suction. So if I want to move the suction from the left to the right, then I go ahead and just move it over, and I will go ahead and switch the suction to the other end. Okay, now on this side here, you have a tool that helps you, if I can get it out, it's got a hidden tool for you to go ahead and use when you want to go ahead and adjust or remove the blade itself. And then as well, you have the depth of how much you want to go ahead and remove on the wood, how much you want to actually remove. So here you can, it has 1 6/4, 1 32, 3 6/4, and 1 1/4, and 1 16. The beautiful thing about this one that it is 18-volt powered, so you don't have the cord dragging when you're going ahead and you're cleaning up the wood itself. The other thing is, this is how it looks on the below it. This is what's rotating. That's going ahead and shaving that wood to make it nice and flat. Okay, so that's the planner, and this is the hand belt sander. So this puppy here, basically what happens is that you put a belt, it's a sander that's in a belt, so basically it goes ahead and rotates, as you see here. The nice thing about this is that it removes and flattens a lot of the wood instead of having to use a circular sander or a square sander. This does help a lot with the planner, because even though it'll go ahead and make it as flat as possible, you will see a little bit of grooves here and there, and this is the best way to go ahead and make sure that those things are flat. This one here is cord base, because it uses a lot of power, and it does come with a bag as well, so make sure it captures everything that it's doing when it's sanding. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when I'm sanding this particular one. Particular wood that has been glued together, and I want to go ahead and maybe make some type of cutting board, or you can make out of this, it could be a stepping stool, it could be the top of a stool, that could be sitting, it could be multiple things. But I at least want to go ahead and start showing you what that looks like and how to use each tool properly. Alright guys, so what I did is I went ahead and attached the vacuum on here because I want to make sure that it's sucking up as much debris as possible. This does generate a lot of debris, the planner, so that's what I'm looking to do. So what I did is I braced it so that way it's a lot easier for me to go ahead and show you in this particular area how it's going to flatten that out. Okay. as you see, how it went ahead and it shaved right here. You can see how much is shaved off. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest to show you how it looks like. Okay, so I want to show you how it looks. It's a little bit uneven in certain areas, here and there, slightly uneven. Okay, and this one here I'm going to have to do another pass. But on this side you'll see that I did a few passes and it's very well flushed now with each other. Okay, it's a great tool to have, especially if you're going to go ahead and make some tables like I told you, or stools, and you want to make sure the wood looks very even. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sand it, okay? There you go. Nice and even. And you can also do it on here, the planter, if you want. You can do the side of it in order for it to be nice and flush as well. And that's how you go ahead and use a planter and a belt sander. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys liking the channel, and go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you next time.